Welcome back, guys. Get ready to upgrade your home with 15 brilliant Amazon finds for a cleaner, more organized space. We've got smart storage hacks, powerful cleaning tools, and must-have gadgets to simplify your daily routine. Check the description for links to grab your favorites. This roll-down egg dispenser is the perfect solution for keeping your eggs organized and easily accessible. Designed with a space-saving, gravity-fed system, this dispenser gently rolls eggs forward for seamless access, ensuring the oldest eggs are used first. The compact yet sturdy design fits neatly in your refrigerator, maximizing storage without clutter. With a durable, BPA-free build and non-slip base, your eggs stay secure and fresh. No assembly is required. Simply load your eggs and let the dispenser do the rest. Enjoy hassle-free organization with this sleek, efficient egg storage solution. This drawer organizer is the perfect solution to keep your drawers neat and clutter-free. Designed for efficiency, it features multiple compartments to neatly store socks, underwear, brass, ties, and other small essentials. Made from durable, breathable fabric with reinforced stitching, this organizer ensures long-lasting use while maintaining proper ventilation for your garments. The foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, and its sturdy construction keeps items securely in place. Whether for bedroom drawers, closets, or dressers, this organizer helps maximize space and simplify daily routines. This cabinet organizer is the perfect solution to maximize space and keep your kitchen, pantry, or bathroom neatly organized. Designed for convenience, this sturdy sliding shelf smoothly pulls out, giving you easy access to all your stored items without the hassle of digging through cluttered cabinets. The smooth sliding mechanism allows for effortless operation, making it ideal for storing pots, pans, cleaning supplies, or pantry essentials. Its easy-to-install design fits most standard cabinets, instantly transforming your storage space into an efficient and organized area. This rechargeable window vac is the ultimate solution for streak-free, spotless windows with minimal effort. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, this powerful vacuum effortlessly removes water, condensation, and dirt from glass surfaces, leaving them crystal clear. With a rechargeable battery, you get cordless convenience for hassle-free cleaning anywhere. The lightweight, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it perfect for windows, mirrors, shower doors, and tiles. Say goodbye to drips and streaks. This window vac delivers a quick drying, professional finish every time. This clothes drying rack is the perfect solution for efficient and space-saving laundry drying. Designed for durability and convenience, this rack features a sturdy frame that holds multiple garments at once, ensuring proper air circulation for faster drying. Its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, while the rust-resistant coating ensures long-lasting performance. Whether for indoor or outdoor use, this drying rack is ideal for delicate fabrics, towels, and everyday laundry needs. Simplify your drying process with this clothes drying rack, practical, reliable, and built for modern living. This flat face extension plug is the perfect solution for maximizing space and enhancing convenience in your home or office. Designed with an ultra-thin wall plate, it sits flush against the wall, creating a sleek, low-profile look while preventing bulky plugs from sticking out. Whether you're organizing your workspace, setting up a home entertainment system, or reducing cord clutter, this flat-face design ensures a clean and modern aesthetic. Perfect for tight spaces behind furniture, TV stands, and appliances, this space-saving solution keeps your outlets accessible without sacrificing style. This wooden trivet set is the perfect addition to your kitchen, combining functionality with natural elegance. Designed to protect your countertops and dining tables from heat damage, these durable wooden trivets provide a sturdy and stylish surface for hot dishes, pots, and pans. Crafted from high-quality wood, they offer excellent heat resistance while adding a rustic charm to your space. Lightweight yet durable, they are easy to clean and store, making them an essential kitchen accessory. Whether you're serving a family meal or hosting a dinner party, these wooden trivets ensure your surfaces stay safe and stylish. This electric makeup brush cleaner machine is the ultimate solution for effortless brush cleaning and drying. Designed for makeup lovers and professionals, this powerful device cleans brushes in seconds, removing dirt, oil, and makeup residue for a flawless application every time. With a one-touch operation and multiple brush color sizes, it fits most brush types and ensures a deep, hygienic cleanse. The fast-spinning technology leaves your brushes dry and ready to use instantly, saving you time and effort. Keep your beauty tools in perfect condition with this must-have makeup brush cleaner. This citrus juicer machine is designed for effortless juicing anytime, anywhere. With its powerful rechargeable battery, you can enjoy fresh citrus juice without the need for a power outlet. The compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel. Its efficient motor extracts maximum juice with minimal effort, while the easy-to-clean components ensure hassle-free maintenance. Whether it's oranges, lemons, or limes, this juicer delivers smooth and refreshing juice in seconds. This disposable toilet brush is the ultimate solution for a fast, efficient, and hygienic toilet cleaning experience. Designed for convenience, it features a disposable sponge head preloaded with powerful Clorox cleaner to tackle tough stains, kill germs, and eliminate odors in just one swipe. The long, ergonomic wand allows for hands-free scrubbing, reaching under the rim and into hard-to-clean areas with ease. Simply click on a fresh cleaning head, scrub, and dispose of it after use. No more dirty brushes to store. Perfect for a hassle-free and deep-clean toilet every time. This rug tape is the ultimate solution to keep your rugs securely in place. Designed with reusable and washable grippers, this tape provides a strong, non-slip hold, preventing rugs from curling, sliding, or bunching up. Perfect for hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, it ensures safety and stability in any room. This rug gripper is easy to apply and remove without leaving sticky residue, making it a long-lasting and cost-effective choice. Simply clean the adhesive side with water to restore its grip and reuse it multiple times. Say goodbye to constantly adjusting your rugs. This tape keeps them neat and secure with ease. This robot vacuum is the ultimate cleaning companion for your home. Designed with powerful 8,000 pascals suction, it effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The dual rotating mop pads ensure deep cleaning, leaving your floors spotless and shiny. This smart vacuum features LiDAR navigation for precise mapping, allowing it to avoid obstacles and clean efficiently. The auto-lifting mop detects carpets and lifts itself to prevent unwanted wet messes. This robot vacuum is also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, making hands-free control easier than ever. With AI-powered obstacle avoidance, it smartly navigates around furniture, wires, and everyday household objects. This liquid soap dispenser offers a touchless, hygienic way to keep your hands clean. Featuring a built-in infrared motion sensor, it dispenses the perfect amount of soap without direct contact, reducing the spread of germs. The large 17 ounces, 500 milliliters, capacity minimizes the need for frequent refills, making it ideal for home, kitchen, or office use. Designed with an adjustable soap volume control, you can customize the amount dispensed to suit your needs. Powered by batteries, this soap dispenser is convenient and easy to install, offering a mess-free, efficient, and reliable hand-washing experience. This ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is the ultimate solution for restoring the brilliance of your jewelry, watches, eyeglasses, and more. Designed with advanced ultrasonic technology, it generates powerful yet gentle sound waves that penetrate deep into intricate crevices, effectively removing dirt, grime, and buildup without harsh chemicals. This easy-to-use cleaner features a spacious stainless steel tank, allowing you to clean multiple items at once with just tap water or an added mild detergent. With its one-touch operation and automatic shut-off, it delivers a hassle-free cleaning experience in minutes. This collapsible laundry basket is the perfect solution for organizing your laundry with ease. Designed for convenience, it features a space-saving, collapsible design that allows you to fold it flat when not in use, ideal for small spaces, dorms, apartments, or travel. Made from durable and lightweight materials, this laundry basket is built to last while being easy to carry. Its sturdy handles provide a comfortable grip, making it effortless to transport laundry from room to room. Whether you're sorting clothes, storing household items, or tidying up, this versatile basket helps keep your space neat and clutter-free.
And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.